guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks. Thank you so much for tuning in with me again. As usual, I have another bougie on a budget find from Antmall. Want to say a huge shout out to Antmall. Thank you so much for working with me on today's video. Okay, so this is the dust bag, and as usual, she did come nice and packaged very well. And here's that beautiful yellowy mustard dust bag that the bags come in. So really nice, really dope vibes. I really love that because it's gonna look really nice displayed in my closet. But here goes the beautiful pink Goyard tote bag. I will definitely put measurements to this one in the description, but this bag is just so gorgeous. I definitely see the hype with the Goyard bags, and as you guys can see, you have the the writing right here with the Goyard, and we love the subtle luxury vibe. But this is also compared to the Neverfull, the LV Neverfull, but I definitely can see why people are enjoying the Goyard style more than the Neverfull. So I did use this bag today, so that's why it has all my things in there. And here go the handles. Okay, so it's very sturdy. The craftsmanship is really nice, and I just love the simplicity of it. But it's definitely if you know brand. Like, I really am enjoying it. I just feel like it is probably not as serious as LV, but you still get that luxe, vibe from it. I really do enjoy it. And I love that the inside is this nice material. So it does seem like it's not really like exactly wipeable, but it's a nice fabric material. So just in case if anything gets on there, like makeup and stuff, you probably can wipe it off very easily. So I really like that. And the stitching on this bag is amazing. Like, it looks very good. And of course, so it came with a little tag on here. I could have just left mine on for now since it's not a big tag, and I just leave it in the inside. But as you guys can see, these are all my contents. As you guys know, I am a mom now, so I don't have everything in here, but I do have some wipes, as you can see, just in case I need to wipe anything extra. I need extra wipes with me. I love that the bag comes with the little pouch insert, so I feel like this is perfect for your lip combos. And back here, I just put some liners and some little washcloths in there, so I think that's so cute. I'm able to fit about 4 or 5 lip items in this. I believe that there is a way that I could probably loop in the strap on the pouch so it can maybe sit a little higher. I will have to check, but I think that's also very cute for it to be hanging like that. But for now, I just have mine tucked away on the inside. So as you guys can see, I have all that in there, so I am able to carry with me a full-size body spray, which is really nice. Right now I have strawberry pound cake from Bath and Body Works. I'm able to carry a water so I can stay hydrated. Obviously phone, some scrunchies for my hair, and some little headache medicine, and gum. And like I said, little jewelry pouch. What I love is that the bag, like I said, is not so structured like the LV Neverfull. I feel like this is just more malleable, and you're able to just carry it around, but your stuff still is secured, if you guys know what I mean. So it's definitely a super nice tote bag. It's literally great for everything, every day, for work purposes, school purposes. It's a really dope bag, and if you are a pink lover, this shade of pink is beautiful. It really is. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely stay tuned to my next video. I got a little jewelry, a luxury jewelry item from Antmall as well, so watch that. And I will also see you guys in the next one.